name is Swagat Barals. It's a great opportunity to be connected and to be showcasing the products and all. I'll definitely rate it 10 out of 10.
Myself, Jitendra Jain from Delhi Tool House. For me, this exhibition is providing me a platform to exhibit my products and get new customers.
We get really new connections and have several very interesting negotiations.
To us, I think we feel very relevant stakeholders are coming from industries, from most of the traders are coming up. I think from across India, people have come.
There was a lot of good quality customers that have been coming. This is the most valuable exhibition.
This exhibition is on a very good scale. I would rate it a 10 on 10.
Unexpected response we had achieved, and we have seen lots of potential customers and visitors here, and we really look positive.
The visitors are very industry specific, and we really like the quality of people coming in. I rate 10 out of 10 as always, as we get a lot of business and we get the perfect platform to showcase our products.
And we are very happy with the responses that we have got here. And overall, it's an excellent opportunity for all of us.
एग्जीबिशन देखा, एग्जीबिशन बहुत अच्छे तरीके से यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. जिसका बिजनेस है वो यहाँ पे आके दो चीज़ें एक्स्ट्रा देख सकता है और एक्स्ट्रा उसको नॉलेज मिल सकता है.
और ये बहुत अच्छा एग्जीबिशन था. मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट है लाइफ में. इट वाज वेरी गुड. ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था.
Overall, guys, good experience.
Love to be here again in the same kind of organizing event.